Users are fundamental to Cartify, with every section managed by users. In this tutorial, we delve into user management within Cartify. When you subscribe to Cartify as a supermarket, an admin user along with other details will be sent to your email address. After signing in, you should update the information and begin adding all necessary users who will work with Cartify. As shown, each user must be assigned to a branch and provided with a username and password. All users, including operators and managers, should be added in this section. In the role assignment section, we will cover all aspects of managing role assignments.